But this is Tegan's first water park.
Oh, it is?
Yep, Tegan.
Hey, Tegan. Tegan.
Your first water park. Are you excited, sis?
Yeah.
Is it hot?
Yeah. I'm glad we're going to a water park.
Yeah, it's a good day for a water park.
This is my first water park.
Are you excited?
Yeah. I'm going to go on the little wedding.
The little whippet?
This is
Little freeze.
We're at Blizzard Beach. Right, Dad?
Blizzard Beach.
Blizzard Beach. Blizzard Beach. I haven't been here for 4 years, so I'm returning back to Blizzard Beach. Just to let you guys know, I'm gonna be going on the craziest water slide there is here. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. See you guys in a bit.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try.
Snack time. I think you got that falling out of your mouth.
What?
Snack time. A chip. Tegan, what did you get?
Popsicle.
Popsicle. What'd you get?
Ice cream.
Wow, is it good? Liam's having a hard time. He's got another loose tooth. He's gonna have no teeth left. But he did get the chocolate Mickey bar. Hey, what'd you say about the chocolate Mickey bars at the Disney park versus like 7-Eleven?
A lot better.
Why are they better?
And these are mom. Yeah, that's not her.
A lot more fresh and they're a lot more colder.
Yep.
Look at this.
you got to say? This is your last words.
Tell my mama I love her. It's like from Pixels. Anyways, yeah. Subscribe to Liam for real and subscribe to Silly Bazilli. It's nice knowing you guys. Keep watching the video to see if I live or I die.
Yeah, comment down below if you think he's gonna live or not make it. There are some people still missing from this ride.
Shut up.
How you feeling right now?
Very frightened. Scared.
We're not even.
Yeah, we haven't even.
Got ways to go over there.
Look how high this is. Oh, we're not even up there yet. I asked for this stuff.
You did. This is what you wanted.
So yeah.
I hope you're happy.
It was nice knowing you like Earth. Hard.
Glad you had a good
Jupiter.
life. There's a lot of water.
Okay, I decided to sit this one out because I already walked it twice. Dang, it's like way worse than the Scaremaster. But Tegan was so scared and now she loves it, so she's gonna go again. So it's pretty cool. They have 3 slides, 2 of them that are not covered and 1 that is covered. So I think Liam and Zoe are gonna do the little tunnel covered one over here in the middle, and then I don't know what Aaron's gonna do. He's probably gonna do the non-covered so he can be with Tegan. And then I'm gonna wait right here for him. Okay, so we didn't even realize that they had this whole other area. Even though we've been here so many times, I think because our kids were so young, we just didn't know. We always just stuck to the kid areas. So we were looking at the map and Liam and Aaron were like, oh my God, there's like a whole different area. So even though there's slides back here, like this slide is a like you don't have to have a height requirement, so it's fine for all kid ages, probably just if they feel comfortable or not. It's pretty cool though. There was some other stuff that's kind of crazy. I don't know if I would go on it or Tegan probably, but it's cool back here. So you have to check it out in the way back. The poor little quiet area in the back. They got some good slides back here for the kids, for all ages. Oh, there's Tegan. Hi! Hold on, here comes Daddy. Hold on. There's Dad. Look at, good job, Sissy. Oh, she's such a big girl now. She's like a water slider, water park professional. Hey, Tegan. You okay? Oh. I will say I'm so proud of Tegan and Zoe. They are riding some crazy rides, like crazy rides. I'm so proud of these girls. Liam's already wild, so.
All right, go. See, are you ready?
Okay, we're going down some kind of, I don't know, mat ride.
This is how you get up faster.
Zoe's showing you how you get up faster.
See, you're just going slow.
Tegan's thinking about it. I'm just telling you right now, these stairs here, oh my God, it's like a major workout and I'm totally out of shape.
Wait.
What?
You have no idea how hard my legs are. I went up there 4 times.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so which one are you gonna do?
We're gonna do the little mat ride. So we're gonna do it and see how it goes. Tegan said she'll think about it. You go down on your belly, I guess. So we'll see how this goes. All right, we made it to the top. Kind of, almost. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. I'm seriously so after this vacay, I need to get my bike gear. Oh, look how cool it looks though. Let's see.
This is snowstorm.
Okay, so where's the Toboggan Racers? Over here. Okay. So get your booty down there so we can see if your sister wants to go. I've never been on this. Oh, come right here. So confusing. Alright. Gotta go this side. Yeah. Whew. Okay. Let's see how this goes. I'm a loner? That sucks. Okay. How was it? She can't go down this. I won.
You won?